Welcome to Bounty Hunters IO or xicoreward.com. This is a small tutorial for bounty managers, and here I will show you how to check activities and answer questions of various bounty hunters who have a problem with the website, or they think they didn't receive the adequate number of stakes and tokens for their actions. So first you need to go onto the website on the admin side. So it's admin.icoreward.com. Once you log in as a manager, you have to go to bounty members, users, and then insert the email address of the bounty hunter who you would like to verify. So you enter his email address and you click enter. And here we have the user ID number 3839. So we copy this number, Control C. We go into user activity. In user activity, we sort all user activity by this bounty hunter. So we scroll to the right to the tab that says user. We paste the user number, click enter. And now we can see the full list of activities that this bounty hunter has performed. So for example, if you have a question about his, let's say, signature and avatar campaign, so you can sort by Bitcoin Talk, or you can sort by bounty tasks and select signature. So as we can see here, this bounty hunter, he participated in Bitcoin Talk's signature campaign with a company called Jury Online, which is one of our ICO projects. In this form, we see that he actually has completed the exercise and he has received the stakes. So the status is executed and the reward is 1 point. So to confirm if this is the correct number of stakes, we have to look at the file which describes all the rules for Jury Online. So if we look at the file, we scroll down to Bitcoin Talk signature and avatar campaign, and we check how many stakes this hunter should have received. So he received 1 stake per week, which means that he should be a junior member. So junior members get 1 stake per week. So let's go back to ICO Reward admin page and check his Bitcoin Talk profile. So if we look at the screen here, it says position junior member. This shows how many hours he was wearing the signature for. So everything actually seems correct with this bounty hunter. He's a junior member. He got 1 stake per week for the bounty campaign. And he has participated 3 times, so he kept the signature for 3 consecutive weeks. So this is how you search for the bounty hunter's activity. You ask him for his email address. You click on bounty members, search for his user ID with his email, then you take the user ID and you insert it into user activity, and you sort by the company or by the channel or by the task. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us.